How to get more fish food on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there are various ways to earn more fish food on Temu, and one of the ways that when you spend more of your time on certain pages, then you would be offered fish food, and when you make orders of good amount, then fish food might also be given to you as a gift, and in case if you return that order, then fish food will be cancelled. And there is one more way, and for that, when you click on this option of view and scroll down, you will be able to find the option of earn credits and free gifts. Just click on it, and after that you can complete these tasks and earn credits and cash, and you can use this particular amount to get more fish food for you. So this way you would be able to get more fish food from Temu, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.